Bakit? Ano parang nagtatanong? Bakit? Aga-aga?
Busog
Go
sila.
ahead.
Hi, good morning.
Morning ulit.
Yeah. Good luck for tonight. And congrats for tomorrow.
Yay, thank you.
Ayan, napakinggan ko na yung soundtrack. Congrats.
Oh, wow.
Inintay ko yun.
Saan?
Spotify.
Okay.
Wow.
Yes. And gusto ko lang tanongin yung how do you relate to some of the songs? Let's say yung Patawarin.
Mahirap yung patawarin when I
Ang emotional niya kasi.
recorded that.
Mm-mm.
I cried after every, kasi when I record, binubuo ko yung kanta. I must have cried 5 times.
Wow.
Nagka-crack yung, hindi ko siya natatapos kasi umiyak ako while crying kasi I was coming from the scene, that scene that we shot the day before I recorded it. So fresh pa sa akin yung scene. So that's one of the hardest recording sessions I've ever done because ang hirap kumanta ng umiyak. And siguro I was just full of emotions while I was singing it. But ang galing kasi ang galing niya yan eh. Ang galing ng pagkakakompose niya at the same time when we did the scene. Parang it set up the whole sequence in that movie. So ang sarap lang nung experience. And when I recorded naman yung Paano Ba Magmahal, ang ganda kasi it's full of questions eh. Di ba parang ano nga ba talaga yung meaning ng love, di ba? And then as we go through the journey of the relationship, ramdam mo sa kanta. Kaya very relatable yung mga, especially for me, yung mga kinanta ko kasi ginawa namin sa pelikula, kinanta namin sa pelikula, inact out namin yung mga eksena while singing. So, ang ganda ng visual sa akin habang nire-record ko, kaya punong-puno na emotion.
Nasabi mo parang, di ba, parang kumakanta kayo while doing it. Live during the shooting?
Yeah, marami
Ay,
kaming
talaga?
mga performances together na nag-perform kami live. Yeah.
Wow. So isa ba yun sa eksenang abangan yung sinabi mo na ginamit yung song na Patawarin?
There's a scene wherein, I performed that song. Spoiler.
Spoiler pa more.
Ano?
Congrats po.
Thank you.